Hello everybody. Today my $10,000 deposit finally cleared, so I have $10,000 in Robinhood right now, ready to invest, and I'm going to invest all of that money into stocks right now in real time. And usually I wouldn't sell or buy stocks in real time like this. I would just put in limit orders and just wait. But for the sake of making this YouTube video, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of them at market share, just so you guys could see what kind of stocks I'm interested in buying right now. So I'm gonna buy a lot of AT&T. I think they're a really good buy right now. Next is L Brands. They focus on women's intimate clothing like Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body Works, things like that. Right now they've got about an 8.84 dividend yield, which is pretty damn good. The price has gone down over time though, but I think I do want to invest in some of this short term. O stock, I love O stock. Realty Income. It's done great for me in the past. The price is very high right now, but I'm just gonna buy some because I like the stock. I don't expect Realty Income to, keep on increasing that much, but because it's already so high. But who knows? REM, I love REM. Dividend yield is about 10.72%, which is really good. And it's been paying me consistent dividends throughout the years I've owned it. For example, if we go to my history, dividends, so you see here, it's been paying me dividends over the years. I owned it back in December 28th, 2016, and I owned it all the way to March 2019 actually. So it's been paying me dividends consistently throughout the years I've owned it. So I do wanna buy it again. VNQ, this is the Vanguard US REIT fund. I love REITs, and this is basically an index fund for REITs. Apple is actually my most profitable stock that I've ever owned, but they're already so high. I'm not really sure where they're going to go from here. Maybe they'll go way up again, but when I initially bought Apple a couple years ago, they were less than half the price they are now, and they've grown a lot. I'm not really sure if they're going to get to $400 a share. I highly doubt it, but I've heard that they're a great stock to own, though. I mean, everyone has Apple phones, you know. Everyone has iPhones. A lot of people have iPads and stuff like that, so you know, they're a very popular brand. Since we're buying Apple, I also want to buy Microsoft. I'm actually recording this video on a Microsoft Surface, and I used a lot of Microsoft products. So I just support the company in general. I feel like they're going to be a company that's going to stick around for many years to come. AbbVie's already in the 70s. AbbVie is one of the stocks that I wanted to buy a lot of recently, but it's already gone up to $71. I bought it back when it was in the mid-60s on my other account. At this point, though, I still think it's going to go up to about 80 eventually, you know. Plus it pays a dividend. So I think it's worth investing in still. Johnson & Johnson. I actually work at Johnson & Johnson. So I definitely want to buy some of their stock. Disney, we'll go ahead and buy a share of Disney. Walmart, I think Walmart's going to be here for many years to come. I mean, they sell some cheap items at their stores. And I personally use Walmart a lot, so I'm going to invest in them. Glad. Good. These are all just part of Gladstone. There's Gladstone Commercial, Gladstone Land. These all pay a dividend. Monthly one, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Gladstone stocks pay a monthly dividend. I haven't checked recently, but honestly, there's there's way too many stocks to research, and it's hard to keep up sometimes. PFF. This one I think I used to own, and it's paid me consistent dividends throughout the time that I've owned it, as you can see. So I'm interested in purchasing some shares of PFF. Let's see, we also got EPD. As you can see, I'm only buying about 1 or 2 shares of these remaining stock picks now, because I've already spent the majority of my money on my, my really desirable ones already. HCP, they're a healthcare REIT. Good to have. Dividends about 5.3%. Alright, OHI. OHI has made me some pretty good money in the past. I definitely like this stock. BYM, this is a good ETF to have. It's the high dividend yield ETF. Has a dividend about 3.24%. Honestly, Vanguard ETFs are generally pretty good, so I like investing in these. This one is another ETF. It's the PowerShares S&P 500 high dividend, low volatility ETF. Dividends about 4.8%. I believe this has made me some good money in my other account, so I'm gonna buy this. Alright, I believe this is public storage, PSA. We're running out of money here though. One share of this is already $250. I think from here I'll buy some gas stocks, just like Chevron. Chevron's my favorite gas station to go to, by the way. Alright, what else? I don't think we can afford much more, but let's see. ExxonMobil. Oh, we can't afford this. We only have $52.46 left. So it has to be a stock that's worth less than $50. I think I'm just going to buy some more shares of Glad. Well, that's pretty much it. Now we only have $4.63 of buying power available, and that's not enough to buy into stocks that I'm interested in right now, so that's it. Let's see how we're doing so far. We're not doing so good. So I finished buying my all my stocks, $10,000 worth, and it's already gone down $1.44. Well, that's okay. I'm in it for the long term, so I'm not really interested in how it's doing short term. We'll see how I'm doing in about a couple years from now. I'm pretty sure it'll go up by then. And wow, just as I'm speaking, we went from losing like $1.44, now we're up like $2. Isn't that great? Well, I don't want to jinx it. I'll keep updates on how this portfolio is doing later on. So watch out for those videos. But for now, here's my portfolio. We got let's display it by the equity. Alright, so we've got $754.30 in O stock, $57 in Glad. REM, I've invested about $1,693. AT&T, $1,647. These two right here are my biggest holdings, I think. REM and AT&T. I think they're great stocks to own. REM, personally, it's more of like a personal pick. I don't see a lot of other people recommending it, but for me personally, I just like this. I just like the ETF. They do, I believe it's a mortgage REIT. OHI, $82 in that. EPD, $29. HCP, $34. PFF, $74. Johnson & Johnson, $129. Good, $23. VNQ, I bought 10 shares, $930. Gain, just one share, $12. VYM, I bought 2 shares of that, $178. L Brands, I bought 40 shares, $757. Apple, 3 shares. They're expensive now, so just 3 shares of Apple is $666. Microsoft, I got $687 in that. AbbVie, oh yeah, I put a bunch into AbbVie because I believe it's gonna go up. Pretty sure it's gonna hit at least 80. Plus it pays a dividend. Disney, 136. Walmart, 117. Land, $12. SPHD, $170.94. Public Storage, $249. And Chevron, $123. And that's it. Those are all the stocks that I bought just now. $10,000 worth. And we'll see how it goes from here. Now, remember, this is just for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not telling you that you should buy exactly the same stocks that I buy. I'm not guaranteeing that you're gonna be successful if you do what I do, but this is basically showing you the type of stocks that I'm interested in buying. And look at that, so far we made about $4 already. I will be posting more videos in the future, updating you guys on how this portfolio is doing, so keep an eye out for that. And like this video if you enjoyed it and found it useful, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me in the future. Thank you.